Hey guys, it's E24 Sharknose Saturday. I'm well into a few hours now of working on the car. So far what I've done is I actually picked up my powder coated valve cover from my powder coaters yesterday. It looks fantastic. So much so I decided that I'm going to take off some more stuff on powder coat. But anyway, the valve cover is sitting on the head. Looks real good. And I decided that I was going to change the original 33-year-old engine mounts. So I took those out this morning, and I'll take you guys underneath the car, show you the engine mounts. You can see, hope you can see this. There's the right side, and I've got it. It was really simple to remove. I mean, really, this is honestly, once you jack up the car, it takes maybe 15 or 20 minutes per side, if that. My recommendation is to take the actual mounts off at the block, because you will not have enough room once you jack up. Here I have a piece of wood 2x4 under the oil pan so it doesn't damage the aluminum oil pan. You won't have enough room to actually physically take the rubber mount off from the metal piece, the metal part, just by jacking up the engine. So this whole piece has to come out as one. I've actually taken out the left side, but let me go ahead and finish up this side here. There's one bolt there, and these are 17mm bolts. Here's the last bolt. Again, I've loosened these already. And there it is. And there, it's out. So that's the right side engine mount. It's off. And you can see the air conditioning compressor is dangling right here. I'm gonna put new V belts on the car, so took that out, which required taking the support off as well. It's a little grimy into here, but I'll clean all that up anyway. So that's that. Let's get back. And then at the same time, I decided I was going to remove the original water pump, which is right there. That was fairly straightforward. There's the left side engine mount. That wasn't too bad. It's 4 13mm bolts holding that in, and you gotta wiggle and turn this one out. It doesn't come out quite as easily as the right side, but no problem there. That came out without hardly an issue. So that's that. And then while I was at it, I decided I was going to remove the thermostat housing. So here it is here. That's all out. I'm going to have this all cleaned up and maybe even powder coated, and then I'm going to run a cooler. I think it's a 71 to 73 degree Celsius thermostat, which I already bought. So yeah, it's been a busy morning. Here are my new engine mounts from Ireland Engineering. I think they were 80 bucks for the pair, and they only go in one way. There's a little notch on them, which you can see right there. So that way you know which is left or which is right, and then it goes into the subframe. So bunch of stuff gonna go to the powder coaters. I took off the metal shield that sits above the blow motors. That's going to get powder coated, and then some other bits and bobs. So stay tuned. The work on the car is taking a little bit longer, just because things are a bit of a slippery slope, and I want everything to look really nice. In fact, speaking of which, I started cleaning all the oil that was from the valve cover all the way down. It was pretty bad, so I'm in the process of cleaning that up right now, and I'm gonna replace all these rubber hoses, vacuum lines, and everything else. So it's gonna be a little bit longer, but so far working on the car has been very straightforward, and I like that. And I'll keep you guys up to date as to the progress we make. Take care. Bye.